Hello, this is Mr. Tower. Hello, Mr. Tower's construction crew. Hope you're all doing well out there. Hey, I'm going to tell you how to create a double bubble using Google Docs and how to put that double bubble right into your Book Bingo website. Let's go. All right, let's take off. I'm on my home page. I'm going to go to my topic of choice, which is a double bubble. Click on that. And it opens up that page. All right, so I'm at that page. Now, before I can do anything, I need to create a double bubble. So I'm going to go and open up my Google Documents. Okay, this opens up a new tab for me. Actually, I have two open. I'll get rid of those. And what that allows me to do is to go under and create a drawing. This will be a Google Docs or a Google drawing. It opens up a very basic drawing page, and here I can create my double bubble. Okay, to start out with, I'm going to go into the shapes. I'm going to find a bubble or a circle, and I am going to compare, let's say, Mr. Tower and Mr. McCarthy. So I'm going to create a bubble about that big, and all I have to do is double click in it and it opens up a text box for me, and I'm going to write in here Mr. Tower. Okay, simple enough. Alright, I'm going to now create another one for Mr. McCarthy. Try and make it about the same size. Looks pretty good. Alright, double click. Call this Mr. McCarthy. Alright, there we go. Now I have to find a couple similarities. Well, there are a few. So what I'm going to do is go and create another bubble that's going to compare the two of us. Okay, here's our comparison. I'm going to put this right in between us because we share something in common, and we are both 5th grade teachers. Enter. There we go. Now I kind of don't want to see teachers on two lines, so I'm just going to drag that out a bit, and there it puts it together. Now I can take my line tool. I can go over here and I'm going to connect that right to there, and I'm going to do another one right to there, and there I've made a comparison. Now I need a couple contrasts, and that's pretty easy. So I'm going to make another shape, and let's go up here, and I'm going to create that. Now here is a little tip you can do to make it maybe a little easier. If I hit Control C or the Command C, depending on what computer you're using, that just copied it. I'm going to go over here and hit a Command V, and it pastes in a new one. Okay, I'm going to go put that one over here. It saves me just a little bit of time. Alright, double click here, and I'm going to say something different about me is likes to ride bikes. Imagine that. Enter for Mr. McCarthy. Okay, and I'm going to say he likes to play guitar. Now, it's not that I don't like to play guitar, it's just that I tried to learn once, but it didn't work. I like listening. Anyways, beside the point. Grab my line tool again. I'm going to connect this to me, and I'm going to go and connect this to Mr. McCarthy. So, you get the picture. Alright? You'll probably want to create, 3, 4 different contrasts, 5, how many ever, for your double bubble, and maybe another comparison as well. So that is a start. Okay, so we've got a start going on, and I'll just add one more circle in here to make it look pretty, and there we go. Alright, so I'm done with that. You know what, it's already saved it, but I need to give it a title, so I'm going to go right up here, click, enter a new name. I'm going to call this Mr. Tower and Mr. McC double bubble. Okie doke. Click OK, and I'm set. I'm going to go back to my website and the page I'm open to, the choice double bubble. Alright, now I get to put that in here. It's really pretty easy. I'm going to go under Edit. Now I'm ready to edit. And I'm going to go up here and go Insert. Now it's going to send me down here, right over to where it says Drawing. I click on Drawing, and here it opens up a window that has the drawings I've saved. And so far I've only saved one, so that's the only one in here. Okay, I'm going to click on it. I'm going to say Select. And I'm going to include the border. I'm going to include a title. I'm not going to worry about the pixels. And I'm going to click Save. And look at that. Something shows up, but I don't see the double bubble. In order to do that, you got to go up here and hit Save. And there it is. There's my double bubble for me and Mr. McCarthy. Now, if I wanted to go and open that up, all I have to do is click here, and it opens up that document again. So, bounce back here. All right, here we go. So there it is. I have created a double bubble for my book bingo. Let's hear you say that fast 10 times. Double bubble book bingo. Try it. All right, thanks. Good luck.